When you first open a document inside of Solidworks or create your own, it is important to know how to navigate around your model. I want to go over the basic navigation in the 3D world. First things first, we need to make sure that we have a mouse with a center mouse wheel. If you push down the mouse wheel, it gives us the ability to rotate our model towards the left, right, up, or down. If I scroll in, it zooms in. If I scroll out, it zooms out. If you scroll or zoom towards the position of your mouse pointer, if I want to zoom in towards this edge, I will place my mouse pointer around that edge and then scroll in, and that zooms in towards that edge. Likewise, if I want to zoom out, I place my mouse pointer around where I want to zoom out. Let's say around this edge. I place it there and I scroll out, it zooms out. If I want to zoom in towards this circle over here, I place my mouse pointer around the middle of that circle and zoom in. It will always scroll to where your mouse pointer happens to be. If you come down towards the bottom left corner of your graphics window, you will see your XYZ. If you click on any of those, it will spin around, and if you double click on any of those, it will rotate around those different individual axes. You could also use the arrow keys on your keyboard to rotate the model around. Remember that the position of your mouse pointer matters a lot when you want to zoom. As a beginner, you might forget to place your mouse pointer at the correct position when you want to zoom, and your model will go away. To bring your model back in view when this happens, go to the heads up toolbar and click on the first icon over here to zoom to fit. To zoom to a particular area on your model, click the Zoom to Area button from your heads-up toolbar and select the area you want to view. To go back to the last view, click the Previous View button on your heads-up toolbar. If you want to pan your model, right-click on your graphics window and from the context-sensitive menu, select Pan. Click on your model and drag to any position of your choice. You can also pan your model by holding down the Control key on your keyboard. Push down the center mouse wheel and drag to any position of your choice. To cancel a previous command, right-click on your graphics area and click Select. You can also do this by clicking the Escape button from your keyboard. To rotate your model about a face, point, or line, hover over the face, point, or line. Select by pushing down your center mouse wheel once and releasing your hand. Notice that the color of the line has changed. This locks down the rotation about that line. To rotate, push down your center mouse wheel. Again, hold it and drag. To rotate about a point, hover over the point and select by pushing down your center mouse wheel once. Notice that the color of the point has changed. Rotate about that point by holding down your center mouse wheel and drag. To rotate about a face, place your mouse pointer over the face. Select by pushing down your center mouse wheel once on the face. Notice that the color of the face has changed. Rotate by holding down your center mouse wheel and drag. To see what is going on inside our model, select the Section View tool from the Heads-Up toolbar. This gives us the ability to see what's going on inside our model. You can drag to see what's going on. You can select the plane you want to view from, or you can select the angle you want to view. When you are satisfied with the view, go ahead and click OK. When you are done seeing the section view, go ahead and deactivate the section view tool from the Heads-Up toolbar. The next icon here has a drop down, and if you click on it, it will pop up what is known as the view cube. From here, you can select any of the faces of your model that you want to see. If you click on a view, it will spin and display that view. From here, you can select any of the faces that you want to see. You can choose to see the isometric view, the diametric view, or the trimetric view. You can also choose to see a single view, two view, or four views. To go back to a single view, click on this. To change the way that you are looking at a model, go to the display style on the sub toolbar. Here you see a couple of options. You see the shaded with edges, the shaded, the hidden lines removed, the hidden lines visible, and the wireframe. You work with wireframe when you're working with paths with internal cuts. You can choose hidden lines visible to see the hidden lines, or you can choose the hidden lines removed to have this view. You can also choose the shaded, but I prefer to always work with shaded with edges. You can also access these tools from your menu bar. Click on View, go to Display, and you see the wireframe, the hidden lines visible, and different other views. Click on Modify to see your view orientation, zoom to fit, and other navigation tools. In future lessons, we are going to discuss the Hide All Types, Edit Appearance, Apply Scene, and the View settings.